Hello guys, I think today is going to be a very interesting day for you and me too, because you are going to know about the atom. Like, chemistry does not talk about neutron and proton, like it stops electron and proton. So this called electromagnetism, like electron and proton. But today we are going to discuss about more details about the nucleus of atom, like how it connects each other, why it does not fall apart. So we are going to talk about that things. Before that, you want to know that what is electromagnetism. Like, so electron and proton, chemistry discuss about that thing, okay? But I'm not going to discuss about that thing. I'm going to discuss about proton and neutron. So how they form each other, right? So as we know that proton makes up with up quark, two up quarks and one down quarks, and neutron made up with two down quarks and one up quarks. Like if you assume that proton has plus one charge, so then you will find that up quarks has like plus 2 by 3 charge, and if you add plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, and down quark has minus 1 by 3. So if you add sum that quark, you will find proton charge is plus 1. And the same thing, if you do like down quark has minus 1 by 3, and it has also minus 1 by 3, and this one 2 by 3, okay? And if you sum that, you will find that neutron consists of 0 charge, okay? Now how they connect each other, okay? We're going to discuss about that things. So as far as we know that proton has two up quarks, how they connect each other, like how up quark down quark connect each other. So there is a little bit more information about that these things you can see, this thing is known as gluons. So gluons is charged particle, like charged atom or color charge, but it does not belongs to our optical color, like what we are seeing, blue, red, green. It does not like that. So that color charge just do the same things like electromagnetism. Like what electromagnetism does, like cation and anion, they come together and makes neutral, right? Neutral. So same thing happens for that gluons. There is three different gluons: red, you can see here, red, green and blue. These three different color gluons, they come each other. Like I want to write that red, green and blue. These charges will come each other and they will make white neutral color. So it happens for that gluons, okay? So they are continuously exchanging themselves in quark, like that, and it makes gluons flux tube. And these are like 10 to the power 37 times stronger than electromagnetism, cation and anion. So you know that how much energy it has, okay? And it has a different character than cation and anion, like electromagnetism, because in electromagnetism that charge, if you just I'll get back that. So if you just give force, it will weak, but for that, if you give force, it will make it more stronger, okay? So what happens here, if you give energy here, this energy will produce quark and antiquark, but this quark will not go anywhere, okay? So this quark and antiquark known as meson, and this meson is also go to the neutron, and it also produce again a quark and antiquark. It known as meson, and it goes there. So they bind each other. So this is how neutron and proton bind each other. Okay, it's clear?
So clear, but I have one question. So actually, the energy of fusion from just the proton or from both of the proton and neutron is the same?
Oh, what is that?
I mean, this reaction just start from the proton, or it also can be start from the neutron of the binding of the proton and neutron.
Oh, okay, that's really a good question. But the thing is that you cannot prove anything like that. These things happen so quickly. So which one is going to which? It does not matter like that.
Okay.
So it can start from anyone.
Thank
Okay.
you. Yeah, good.
So the outline was truth about atomic structure. I think you got that. So this is how proton and neutron bind each other, and we already know about electron, and it makes a atom, right? And I think you should have many questions.
Yeah.
But before that, I have a homework for you. So I am ready. Okay, I will take question from you, but since before that, I want to give you the homework, like why hydrogen has no neutron, right? So it structure like that. So how that proton is in the hydrogen? So what he is doing?
Reason.
There is no neutron, right? And the another thing is that how the first atom forms. What is the question now? Tell me.
I just want to know a little bit briefer about flux tube.
Okay, so the thing it happening here, there is like 8 different gluons. Okay, these gluons, and they are different color. Like there's 3 different: red, green, and blue. So this thing you know that cation anion attracts, but for here they only exchange their color. Like red is going to that green, and green is going to the blue, and they are just exchanging. Okay. But it does not relate our optical colors. Okay, so when they exchange, they make neutral white color. So here we produce neutral atom. Here we produce white neutral color.
On exchange of
Yeah, they're just exchanging.
because of that
Yeah,
okay.
it is so quick, like 10 to the power minus 17 seconds. It happens like that. So it's so quick. I mean, you cannot assume that. It is everything quantum. Okay, so it's going like wave. So yeah, it happens, and it makes a you already know gluon flux tube, which is really strong.
Thank
You got that?
you. Yeah, clear. Thank you.
Started.